Hello dear students, welcome back to the NCERT science class of 7th standard. Dear students, we are studying the respiration in the organisms, in which we are going to study. Today we are going to study the exercise part. Before that we have studied about the respiration in human being, respiration in other animals like the cockroach, earthworm, aquatic animals. In case of plants, we have studied in the previous class. Today we are going to study the exercise part. Before that, all students has to open the textbook of science. You have to open the exercise and you have to see the very first question, that is, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? See, an athletic, when an athletic, for example, a runner, when he complete his running, you might have, or you might have of your own experience, when we complete or when you complete the exercise, the running or exercise, after that task, breathing rate will increase. Why? In examination, you ask, and in your textbook also you ask the first question: why the athletic breathe faster when he complete his game? See, because after a task or after a game, the athletic need more energy to restrain his body. Athletic need, you have right answer, because an athletic need more energy to restrain the body. For that, he has to break the means in the cellular level. Body or the cell has to break down the more amount of nutrient molecule. For that, it needs more amount of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, breakdown of nutrient molecule takes place by releasing the energy, that is called as the respiration, isn't it? It means an athletic, after complete his running or game, he needs more energy to restrain the body. For that, he needs more energy and he needs more food or the more nutrient. For the breakdown of more nutrient, he needs more oxygen. That's why he breathes more fastly to take the more amount of oxygen. That's all. Next, come to the second question. See that in your textbook. List the similarities and differences between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Dear students, in the previous class we have studied about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic means aerobic. Next, anaerobic. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic means, here aero means air. An means absence of air. That is the respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen. That is called as the aerobic respiration, presence of oxygen. The respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. That is called as the anaerobic respiration. Next, again, that is aerobic respiration takes place in higher animals. That is aerobic respiration takes place in all higher animals. The next, here anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the yeast cells. Here in case of higher animals, next, here in case of aerobic respiration, it produces the aerobic respiration produces the carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Here in case of anaerobic respiration, it produces the alcohol or lactic acid also we can say. Then it produces the carbon dioxide plus energy and water. Isn't it? These are the differences between the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Next, third question. See the third question, that is, why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust laden air? See, the dust molecule, when it enters in into our nasal cavity, when dust molecules enters into our nasal cavity, it may produces an irritation in the nose or the nasal cavity, and it has to be removed. If it is not removed, if it enters into the body, that may be produces a hazardous effects. That's why it has to be removed due to the this what happens naturally. If it takes the dust containing air, the dust will be removed. The nasal cavity removes the dust by sneezing. Yes. Next come to the next point. Next question. Take 3 test tubes. Take 3 test tubes. Take 3 test tubes is going to the question exercise. Take 3 test tubes of same size. Label them as A, B, C. A, B, C. In which you have to take the 3/4 of the test tube with water. You have to fill the 3/4 of the test tube with the water. And in one test tube, you have to keep the snail. In test tube A, keep the snail in test tube A. Here we have to put the snail. In test tube B, we have to put an aquatic animal. In test tube B, what we have to put? A water plant in test tube B. That is plant. Aquatic plant in test tube B. Here the snail plus aquatic plant. Both we have to put in test tube C. We have to take the 3 test tubes. Test tube A, test tube B, test tube C. In test tube A, we have to take the snail. In test tube B, we have to take the plant, the aquatic plant, any aquatic plant you can take, or water plants. In test tube C, we have to take the snail plus plant, aquatic plant. Then you have to see, you have to check out in which test tube the oxygen concentration is more. The answer is the test tube B. Because plant releases the oxygen and takes the carbon dioxide. Here snail is an animal which takes the oxygen and gives out the carbon dioxide. It takes the oxygen and gives the carbon dioxide, due to which what happens? Carbon dioxide concentration will increase, oxygen concentration will decrease. Here plants releases the oxygen, due to which what happens? Oxygen level will increase. Next, here what happens? Whatever the oxygen is released by the aquatic plants, that is taken by the animal like snail. That's why oxygen level may not be increased or may not be decreased. That may maintain stability, but here increase. He asked in which test tube? In which test tube the oxygen level increases? That is in test tube B. That answer is test tube B. Next, we come to the multiple choice questions. That is in cockroach. First one, in cockroaches the air enters the body through the first option A, that is lungs. Option B, gills. Option C, spiracles. Option D, skin. That is the option third, that is spiracles. Option third, first question, that is in fifth, that is first A. In A question, that is the answer is spiracles. Yes. Next, come to the second B. Question B. During heavy exercise, we get the crumb or the muscle cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of carbon dioxide, no. Lactic acid, yes. Alcohol, option 4, that is water. The correct answer is the lactic acid. Next, sixth question. The normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is. The correct answer option is 15 to 18 times. Here I will mention spiracles. spiracles, then lactic acid 15 to 18 times. The next question is, that is deep one. During inhalation, the ribs, option A, moves upward during inhalation. The ribs moves outward. Exhalation. During exhalation, ribs moves outwards, moves downwards. Option third, that is moves upward. Option 4, do not move at all. The correct answer is second. That is moves down. Moves down. Yes. Next, match the following. Match is there. Column 1, column 2. You have given. First one, east. Its matched word is, that is alcohol. That's given. Column A, column B here. The first one, he has given east. With the correct answer is alcohol. Alcohol. Second one, diaphragm. The correct answer is, that is chest cavity. Diaphragm is present in the chest cavity. Yeast produces the alcohol with the help of anaerobic respiration that you have studied. Yes. Third one, skin. That is earthworm. The earthworm respires through the skin. Fourth one, leaf. Leaf. That is the correct option is stomata. In the leaves, the stomata is present. Next, in the fifth question, fish. They respire through the correct answer match word is gills. Next, sixth one, frog. That is they respire through the lungs and skin. Lungs and skin. Is it? Next, we come to the true and false. True and false. Very first question, see. During heavy exercise, the first one, true and false. During heavy exercise, breathing rate of a person slows down. False. During heavy exercise, what happens? The breathing rate will increase more, but he has given that is slows down. Breathing rate will be increased. That is false. The first question, false. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the daytime and respire only at the night time. No, false. Photosynthesis takes place at the daytime, correct, but the respiration takes place both in day and night time. That's why the question is false. The next, third question, frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. False. True it is. Frogs breathe through the skin as well as the lungs. True. Yes, when the frogs enter into the water, it will respire through their skin. When it comes outside the water body, it breathes through the lungs. Yes. Next, the fishes have lungs for the respiration. False. Fishes, they does not have the lungs. They are respired through the gills. These are the gills are the openings at the neck region. Next, dear student, the fifth one, the size of the chest cavity increases during the inhalation. True. When we inhale the air into the body, the chest will increase. That is true. Next puzzle they have given that I will show you with a picture. Here the correct words in the puzzle we have given. The first one is here. The very first one, that is air tubes of the insects, that is called as the very first one. Here trachea, then here second one ribs, that is the skeletal structure of the chest cavity called as ribs. Then third one, the muscular floor of the chest cavity, that is called as a diaphragm. Third one, diaphragm here we have shown with the arrow mark. The next, the tiny pores on the surface of the leaf, that is called as the stomata. That is, see here we have mentioned stomata. The next, the small openings on the side of the body of the insects, that is called as the spiracles. Fifth one, here the small openings on the sides of the body of the insects. Fifth one, that is called as the spiracles. Here spiracles are there. Next, sixth one, the respiratory organ of the human, that is lungs here. The next, the opening through which we inhale, that is nostrils. Nostrils here, nostrils. The next, anaerobic organism, that is yeast. And ninth one he has given wrong, that is the organism with the tracheal system, that is maybe insects or cockroach we can say, but he has not given the matched word. That's all. The next, about the ninth question, that is mountaineers carries the oxygen with them because. The correct option answer is the amount of air available to a person. The amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. That's why it is the correct answer. That's all about the exercise of the first topic of biology.